Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah Ar-Rahman, the teacher, the author himself, Allah, he says, Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, Khalaq al-Insan, Allamahul Bayan. Ar-Rahman is the name of Allah, the most gracious. Allama al-Quran, He taught al-Quran the reading. Khalaq al-Insan, He created man. Allamahul Bayan, He taught him the clarification. 4 little ayahs, and it's full of wisdom, believe me. Ar-Rahman is the name of Allah, means the most gracious. Allama al-Quran. Allama al-Quran means He taught al-Quran the reading. English means He taught the Quran the reading. So who is our teacher? Allah. So you cannot blame anybody in the world that this man is teaching wrong, this man is teaching wrong, and this man is you pointing fingers. It is God Almighty knows you. You don't want guidance. So He's not teaching you. So it is very easy to find faults in man. This Maulana, this guy, this man is like this and this. It is Allah knows your hearts, so you don't want to learn from Him. First of all, you must understand who is the teacher today. The teacher is Allama al-Quran. It is Allah Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. He taught the Quran. He teaches the Quran. So it is you and Allah directly involved in understanding the Quranic guidance. It is no other person. A pointer, like me, a pointer can show you the ayats. A non-practicing Muslim, a Christian, a non-practicing man can show you this verse, a pointer. But it is your own belief that will give you guidance. If you believe that God is your teacher, Allah will teach you. Believe me, Allah will teach you. If you don't believe, you look for others. You are asking other people to teach you about the Quran. And then if you think this is not according to my psyche, you put a finger to him, then you go to another guy. And then you go to another guy. And you keep on going here from here and there. So this going from here and there, you know Allah knows your heart. So if you want to learn from Allah, so Allama al-Quran, He teaches the Quran. Khalaq al-Insan, He clarifies that it is He who has created you. He knows your in and outs. He is the person who can teach you. You have to be honest to Him, not to man. You can fool me, I can fool you. But you can't fool Allah. So He has created you. He can only teach you the Quran. No human being can teach anybody the Quran. I said no human being except for the messengers. Because messengers are the medium by virtue the message comes to us. Muhammad Rasulullah and all the messengers. I said man like me, ordinary people like me and you cannot teach the Quran to anybody. It has to come from Allah. And because you have to believe in Allah. Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, Khalaq al-Insan. He has created man. He knows every individual, his environment, his status, his mind. He knows everybody's mind. So He knows what capabilities and capacities you have, and He knows how He can guide you, how He can teach you with your all merits and demerits. Nobody is equal. In our daily system, look at the daily system. In the daily learning process, you know the difference between Allah's judgment and man's judgment. Man makes classes, rooms and subjects. They are not interested in what background you come from or what is your problems. They are not interested. They fix up a course, 6 months course or months course. And they expect the children to learn in that months. Whatever goes in his child's mind, they are not interested. They give you a dateline and they ask the questions from the teaching that were taught. And the child has to answer them without realizing what background he come from. What is a rich man or a poor boy or a poor... They want answers. But it's not with Allah like this. This judgment, Quran, Allah is going to make the judgment of every individual, because every individual have a different society and a culture and a background. So Allah is the best of the judge. from what he has come from, and from what he has learned, and from what he has taken the guidance. So he is the best of the judges. He has created man. He will teach the Quran. And further he says, Allamahul Bayan. He will teach him the clarification. To clarify things. Allah will teach him the clarification. So in these ayahs you must understand the author of the Quran is Allah. The teacher is Allah. He will teach the Quran. Khalaq al-insan. He has created man. And further he says he will teach him the clarification. So man has to realize, has to tawakkal or trust in Allah while reading the Quran. While reading the Quran he must trust Allah that he will teach the Quran.